Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing the extension so ad filtering can run. Open Chrome and access the Extensions menu, then open the web store. Search for Adblock or Adblock Plus and confirm it matches the developer. Click Add to Chrome and accept the listed permissions. This grants the extension the ability to block scripts and requests. Once added, make sure the extension icon appears in your toolbar. You're now ready to open the extension menu and perform initial configuration before browsing. You should now configure filters so blocking is effective without breaking sites. Open the extension options and enable recommended lists like Easy List and Privacy or Anti-Tracking lists. These match known ad domains and trackers. Add or paste custom filter rules when you need precise control. Once added, filters block requests at network level. If a site breaks or you support a publisher, add that domain to the whitelist or pause blocking for that tab. This balances ad removal with site functionality and revenue. Finish by testing and troubleshooting so the extension works reliably. Visit multiple websites, open the ad block pop-up to view blocked items and counts, and use the element picker to remove persistent elements. If a page malfunctions, try disabling other extensions or clear Chrome cache and reload to isolate conflicts. Enable the built-in logger to review network requests and create targeted filters when needed. If problems persist, pause blocking on that site temporarily, and then rebuild a precise filter to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.